let's see how to download Kali Linux. So just open your browser and type kali.org/downloads. It will redirect you to a new path saying kali.org/getkali. Okay. So from here you will see a lot of different types of Kali ready to be downloaded. Okay. So these are in the form of virtual machines or bare metal or cloud or live images, etc. Okay. So you can scroll down and select the desired one, right? Now here you will see 64-bit and 32-bit. So these are the different architectures of an operating system. Okay. So which is the best suitable version for you? In order to find it out, you have to go to your computer settings, okay, like my computer or this PC. Simply go to this PC and go to its properties. Then you will able to see these kind of information. Okay, so it says 64-bit operating system, right? And these are the details of the processor or RAM, okay, or which version of Windows you are running. Okay, right now I am using Windows 11 as my main operating system. Okay, so my system is 64-bit, which means I can download both the versions, that is 32-bit and 64-bit. Both are supported. Okay, but in case if your system is only 32-bit, it means you cannot use 64-bit OS, okay, or any other software, right? So it means the higher version will support the lower, but the lower ones obviously doesn't support the higher one. Okay, and it's not just about operating system. I am talking about all the softwares. Okay, so if your operating system is 64-bit, it means it can support 32-bit softwares as well. Now here you can directly download the Kali Linux in the form of virtual machines. Okay, so these are the ready to use. You can see the size here. If you want to download Kali for VMware, it says 2.4 gigs, and for VirtualBox it says 3.7 gigs. Okay, you can also download the documentations which help you step by step how to download Kali. Okay, and it says the default credentials are Kali, username and the password, right? You can also get Kali for different things, okay, for different OS, for different devices, even for your mobile as well, okay, of different brands. You can see here a long list. Okay, so just go ahead and download the one which is best suitable for your operating system. Okay.